Sogokuru.
Ali, where is he?
Sogokuru wawe ari he Ali?
I'm so sorry.
Ubabarire mama kandi wihangane. Ubabarire kandi wihangane. Akarira kari kubyumva nako. Ni hakuno.
What have you saying? What is it? Where is your grandfather?
Ebyo nacyo kuvuga sogokuru wawe ari hehe?
Your grandfather? Where is he?
Sogokuru wawe ari kumutari kumunyereka mama ntabwo ari kubyumva. Mama ntabwo ari kubyumva kandi nawe yahise abimenya.
I'm sorry, I lost him.
Mama unyihanganire.
No, excuse me, somebody please.
Cyari kwagize umuntu uza.
Look, I'm Natalie Switzerland. I'm here to see Everett.
Guys, ndabasuhuza kabisa ku bantu badukurikira kuri YouTube channel yacu. Icyo nagusaba cyane ni ukanda subscribe. Okay guys, baba ngo video yanyu ntago irangiye iraje ikomeza. Ahubwo na publicity kato tuba tugiye gucisha. Icyo ngiye kubwira murabona abantu muri korera filime, abantu bamukeneye filime ko nyibahereza yose dohere kuri episode ya mbere ikaza yuzuye ari season yose na episode yose takataguye. Nyandika kuri WhatsApp fata nomero muri screen. Hari igihe waba ushaka n'indi filime wabuze ariko ukaba warayibuze cyangwa ukaba ushaka filime runaka. Nta kabuza ugomba kuza ukatugana ku giciro gito cyane turaguhereza filime hamwe na 2026. Ubu business nyinshi ziri gukorerwa online. Aka kanya ushobora kuba ufite YouTube channel yawe, TikTok, Instagram ndetse na Facebook, ariko ukaba ukeneye ko zizamuka kuba followers ndetse ukajya unarebwa cyane bihagije. Ushobora kuba ufite YouTube ukaba ufite watch time 4,000 ariko ukaba nta subscribers igihumbi ufite ngo applying nawe ufata amafaranga nk'abandi. Igisubizo nta kindi, tugufasha kubona subscribers 1,000 no kurengaho mu gihe wabishatse ku giciro gito cyane. Aka kanya ushobora kuba ukeneye kwiga ku editinga, ukaba ukeneye kumenya uko wazamura social media, uko wakora ama website, ukaba ukeneye amasomo ahagije ku mbuga nkoranyambaga cyangwa se kuri social media. Icyo tugusaba no kutwandikira kuri WhatsApp tukagushyira muri groupe, ntago duhenda. Tuzabereka uburyo ba applying live, bakora monetize, tubereke byose uko bikorwa. Biraterwa nawe n'icyifuzo cyawe. Icyo usabwa witinyanga amafaranga ni menshi aho gutwandikire utubaze nusanga turi kuguhenda. Amahitamo nawe ugomba guhitamo kutugana cyangwa se ntutugane bitewe n'ibyo wifuza. Aka kanya ushobora kuba ufite business, ufite company runaka cyangwa se ibindi ukora ariko ukaba nta muntu wizeye wabona wakwamamariza ibikoresho byawe ndetse n'ibindi ukora. Iyo nomero iri muri screen watwandikira, waduhamagara tukagufasha kukwamamariza ibintu byawe udahenzwe. Ushobora kuba uri umu videography, umu photography cyangwa se umu disc banner ariko ukaba nta bikoresho ufite byizewe. Tugufasha kubona kamera nziza, tripod n'amatara yayo, tugufasha kubona machine nziza, desktop ndetse n'amascreen meza ku giciro gito cyane udahenzwe natwe tudahenzwe. Ukeneye amaradiyo meza, ubwo byose biri mu byo navuze haruguru aho. Iyo nomero iri muri screen yagufasha, watwandikira cyangwa se ukatuvugisha tukabigufasha. Aka kanya tugufasha kubona televiziyo nziza, yaba izifite screen nini cyangwa se intoya, biterwa na design ushaka cyangwa se ubuso ushaka cyangwa se urungano size. Ibyo turabigufasha. Aka kanya ushobora kuba ufite igikoresho ariko akaba nta mutekinisiye wizeye ufite. Aka kanya ushobora kuba ushaka isaha nziza yizewe, ushaka amatara atari yandashya vuba, ushaka amasharijeri yihutisha. Igisubizo nta kindi. Ibi bikoresho tuvuze haruguru harimo amatara, chargeur n'amasaha n'ibindi hamwe na Batitech Limited babikugezaho. Dufite umutekinisiye wizewe ukora mu ntara y'Iburasirazuba, ubaherereye Rwamagana, Kayonza, Ngoma, Kirehe na Nyakarambi. Wamuha igikoresho cyawe akagikora neza mu buryo bwiza nta kibazo kigize. Icyo usabwa no kutwandikira kuri nomero twabahaye muri screen cyangwa se ukatuvugisha. Aka kanya ushobora kuba ukeneye kwiga ku editinga, ukaba ukeneye kumenya uko wazamura social media, uko wakora ama website, ukaba ukeneye amasomo ahagije ku mbuga nkoranyambaga cyangwa se kuri social media. Icyo tugusaba no kutwandikira kuri WhatsApp tukagushyira muri groupe, ntago duhenda.
Yarasoze tangira kubwanuka ni mama. Tangiye kubwanuka. Mama tuza. Sogokuru wawe yari kugutari kunsubiza ngo usubize ikisi. Gira amaso yuko yerekwa bice ibindi akabyirebera. Usubize iki? Amarira, agahinda, muri famiye.
happening?
ubuke ukuri kuzwi n'abantu bangahe? Steven azi ukuri, Diamond azi ukuri, ubwo adafite ibimenyetso. Alex azi ukuri, George azi ukuri, ariko ikibazo nta bimenyetso bihari.
Please.
Hakuno Steven bamugejeje hano.
My client is here.
Honestly, I'm very curious.
Yazanye n'umwavoka kandi. Ujya ubona ukuntu Steven aba ari seriye.
Everett Soysalon
Everett Soysalon
was murdered.
yishwe.
What?
Ngo.
Oh,
Huh?
God. What are you saying?
Suri kuvuga ibiki?
News to you?
If I knew.
Ayo makuru se ni
Family.
iyo nza kuba busy nari kuba ndi kumwe n'umuryango wanjye ndi kubafata mu mugongo bari Afrika mbe ngiye.
Your time.
Icara si byo wicara reka kwigira gutyo.
Sure that you're not
Icazwe ibyo wicazwa se reka kugira.
before you come back around, trying to console them.
What now?
Iki se?
You're a suspect
Nawe uri mu bakekwa
in the murder of your
mu
father-in-law.
rupfu rwa sobukwe.
There are statements against you.
Ndetse dufite ubuhamya bugushinze.
With what evidence?
Mu kihe kimenyetso se mufite muranshinza mufite ikihe kimenyetso?
Does this mean?
We ask the questions, Mr. Stevens.
Turakubaza ibibazo mwana. Steven,
Have a gun?
ugira imbunda?
Your son, Alex Soysalon.
Ndetse umwana wa Alex Soysalon
Soysalon.
yandikiye Yamani
His
Soysalon
father.
kugiye kujya kwica se sibyo?
Is his father alive now?
Isese nimba atakiri muzima ubwo nabyo mugiye kuba inshinzi.
Where is your gun?
Imbunda yawe iri hehe?
At the hotel room.
Iri mu cyumba muri hoteli.
What?
Tubwire password yayo
Well,
kubera iki?
Mr. It's the room.
Kubera ko tugiye kujya gusaka muri kiriya cyumba. Ufite manda dore shirishe kiyi hakuno. Kandi icyumba mwibuke yatayemo imyenda irimo ibimenyetso byibuka. Apfuye.
Yes, of course.
Iyo tukujyane kuri polisi bwo bajyaga kumuzana imyenda yayitaye muri hoteli. Kureba manda yimwe bemera kujya gusaka icyumba barayifite. Karaburije. Yamenye karaburije Steven. Mbere ya mbere abapolisi baje mu cyumba cya hoteli yari arimo. Icyumba barabanza baragishakaza. Barabanza bakizengurukamo bacyinjiramo. Ngura hakuno sefu imbunda irimo hakuno nta n'uwakozeho iki kumwe buriya uri gusibanganya ibimenyetso kumbe hakuno Shamani hano.
Mom.
Mama
Drink some water.
basi fata amazi unywe.
Carla.
Karira ndakwiyamye. Uretse
And where is he?
none ari he?
Is the body at the hospital?
Umurambo uri
An autopsy.
uri kwa muganga bari gukora autopsy. Wiki
Doing an autopsy?
bakora autopsy?
Who requested an autopsy?
Ninde se wasabye autopsy kandi?
Why is there an autopsy?
Kubera icyo bari kumukora autopsy?
My grandpa.
Sogokuru
They murdered him.
yishwe ntago yishwe n'umutima bamwishe bisanzwe kandi ntago umuntu yaba yishwe bisanzwe ngo bamushyingure batarakora autopsy kuko hari amakuru aba akenewe ya ngombwa.
He was shot.
Bamurashe iki? Idamurashe se? Idamurashe idabikoze
At my father's house.
ndetse byabereye mu nzu yo kwa papa. kwa George Aiden no byabereye.
When I got there,
Ubwo nageraga
he was covered in blood.
yari yuzuye amaraso sogokuru.
Did he kill my grandpa? Did your father kill him?
No,
Ni papa wawe
he set
wamwishe.
father up.
Ntabwo ari papa wanjye wamwishe.
He did it so he can set my father up for the crime.
What the hell are you saying?
Ese ko wabikoze ahubwo ngo gukese n'ibice uri kuvuga? Arangije abeshyira data.
Your father, Carla.
Ese ko niwe wamwishe? Ibintu ndi kuvuga utari kumva ni ibiki?
Your father killed our grandpa.
That isn't true. Wait.
They want to frame him for the murder.
Ese ko yishe sogokuru abigereka kuri papa wanjye ntabwo ari ukuri.
They want to destroy my father.
Shut your mouth!
Shaka kurimbura ubuzima bwa papa wanjye murekeraho ariko mama nawe hakuno biramurenga. Nathalie Soiselan.
It wasn't
Ararira bitanga iki? Ararira bitanga iki?
Paige,
Steven hakuno.
the search is concluded.
Tuvuye gusaka muri kiriya cyumba dore ibyo tuvanyeho ngibi. Hakuno. Yarabizi byari biri mu cyumba, arabizi ko ingingo zimira zimukiza. Urakoze.
The gun has been to ballistics.
Imbunda yari yanditse mu mategeko.
No problems.
Nta kibazo ifite.
Swap reports came back clean.
Raporo ivuga ko imbunda nta kibazo ifite.
One last question.
Ikindi kibazo kimwe.
Where
Cyumba bagisotse nta kindi kintu babonyemo. Wari uriye muri iki gitondo.
Excuse me.
Unyanganire.
What was that?
Wari uri kumubaza umwavoka waraza
this
umunyamategeko.
morning?
Muri iki gitondo umukiriya wawe
at the
yarari.
hotel in the morning with his son Alex.
Yari kumwe n'umuhungu we kuri hoteli mu gitondo nta hantu yigeze ajya.
That right, Stephen?
Ibyo koko ni ukuri Steven?
Yes, it's true.
Yego ko ni ukuri.
The hotel's cameras are down now.
Kamera zo kuri hoteli zagiye hasi. Ntabwo ziri gukora.
We can't disprove that even if we want to.
Niyo twaba dushaka kumenya ukuri nta bimenyetso twabona.
Coincidentally, Yaman Ali told us to hurry.
Kandi kibabaje Yamanari yabitubwiye kare shango twihute tubigendamo gake biguru ntege.
I don't get it.
Ntabwo mbyumva ariko.
Alex Soisalon is
Alex Soisalon
saving that.
yandikiye Yamanari aramubwira ngo ugiye kujya kwica sibyo?
Yes, I caught Yaman.
Ubu turamufite bari kumuhata ibibazo nawe. Yego nahamagaye
My
Yamanari.
father saw pics of my mom with that guy.
Papa wanjye yari yarakabwo yabonanaga papa mama n'uriya mugabo mu mafoto.
boat.
Yari afite mudu.
Luckily, I stopped him.
Kubw'amahirwe nabashije kumuhagarika.
I was able to get through to him, and I set him straight.
Namuhagaritse ndamuturisha birakunda.
And when I went down to the bar,
Ariko ubwo namanukaga hasi ngiye mu kabari kuzana icyo
him
kunywa.
up. So if you excuse us,
Nibwo nasanze papa abapolisi bamujyanye rero munyihanganiye.
we're going home
Je na papa wanjye tugiye gutaha mu rugo
so we can mourn.
kugira ngo tujye kunamira umusaza wacu wapfuye tujye mu kiriyo. Nta kintu mwadushinza mufite iki se?
My grandfather was found dead in his father's house. Carla, enough.
Gute yapfiriye mu nzu y'iwabo wa Yamana ariko Kalira birahagije.
Get the hell out of here. What
We
are you
watuma
doing?
tukavana ukagenda nimwatwiciye muzehe.
That man was my grandfather.
We
too.
uriya musaza nanjye yari sogokuru ariko wikwikunguza aho ngaho.
I'm not going anywhere until justice is served.
Rero nta hantu ndi bujye mpaka mbonye ubutabera.
Arrested your father. What else is left?
Usibye se kuba siko bamufasha ubundi butabera bukeneye n'ubu.
Be out soon.
Kuba cyane ukuri kurajya ahagaragara we ntugire ikibazo.
Look who's just released.
Reba uwo bafunguye ngo ninde. Reba uwo bafunguye ngo ninde Yamana tuzababona. Steven baramufunguye karabaye. Steven Steven nta kintu na kimwe kimuhama, niwe wabikoze. Yamana arabizi, bose baranabizi, na Alex arabizi nubwo arengeye se, ariko nta kimenyetso gihari. Gute bakurekuye wowe? Gute bakurekuye?
What are you doing here?
Is there anyone in the police station?
Uri gukora ibiki hano mwa? Ese abapolisi bafite icyo kibazo, mwebwe murwaye ibiki?
Calm down.
Uyu mugabo mwamufashe mukamufunga, icyo mutazi ni iki?
Interrogation is finished. Yamana, don't be sick.
Jamani ari wikwigira umusazi hano. Mama hakuno byaramurenze. Byaramurenze.
Interrogation is over. Brother, how can you be out? Take him.
Ese mwebwe namufashe mukamufunga we? Mbira kuri papa amushiga we. Barwanira muri polisi.
Alex, okay, don't mess with him.
Alex bimeze sawa wikina n'uwo mujinga atasa.
You destroyed this family. I'll not let you get my father. You won't take my father from me.
Niba turi kugurira umuryango je ntago natuma ukinira kuri papa wawe.
Father's dead. I don't care about your father.
Hakuno.
Grandfather's murderer is right there. How are you?
Dore umwicanyi wishe papa, dore nguri hakuno. Natari Israel namufatu yaramusama sheri ngwino dutaye. Ngwino dutaye ubwenge nibwizerega.
Let her go. Don't touch
Bira kuri mama, uyimukoraho, uyinkorera kuri mama asha ibyo uba wigira n'ibiki wa mwana we.
her.
Ubwenge ari mu mutwe. Utaza agaciro k'amaguru ngo abyinire inzovu bamushyira hasi bafunga imbwa. Urateza akavuyo muri sitasiyo ya polisi yicyurira umugore we n'abana be. Dutahe. Dutahe. Nyagasani. Ukuntu Alex amurebera ku rutugu. Ukuntu Alex amurebera ku rutugu. Alex yanze kuvuga ukura kuza, arabizi ko ari we wishe umuntu. Arabizi ko ari we wishe sekuru, ariko nta kintu abivuzeho, nta n'icyo abikozeho.
I really don't get it, Chief. I'm really going out of my mind.
Cye ntago ndi kubyumvisha mu mutwe wanjye afande.
How could you let that man go free?
Guturiye mugabo mwamurekuye akagenda kwe.
Murderer of my grandfather.
Nyuma yo kwica sogoko
Let him up and leave like that.
akagenda kuri.
My mom with him.
My friend,
Nshuti
I
yanjye
have the evidence.
nta kimenyetso dufite.
Check it. It came out of the hotel room, clean, unfired, license.
Twagiye mu cyumba cya hoteli, nta kintu twabonye, ibintu byose bimeze sawa.
Yes. Alex Soisalon, he confirmed. He caught his father.
Alex Soisalon yaranyandikiye ngo bagiye kwica, ngo agiye kwica papa yego
and they never
yabyemeye.
left the hotel.
Ariko yavuze yuko asatigeze ava muri hoteli kuko ngo yageze gute, yamubaye hafi.
Cameras everywhere. Check the cameras.
The cameras were
Nagiye
malfunctioning.
mukareba kamera, se kamera ntago zari ziri gukora.
They were disabled due to a system update.
Kamera bari bazivanye kubera bari kwa updatinga system y'umutekano muri iriya hoteli.
To contradict their statements with.
Because you were too late.
I told you that they would
Kubera ko mwagiye mutinze kandi nabibabwiye ngo mubikore
The
kare.
confidentiality order. There's a press ban. And you're shouting at the top of your lungs?
We aya makuru ndi kuguha nibanga ntakabaye ngo none utangiye no kunza kumva.
Gunpowder on your dad's hand. Your father's fingerprints were on the
Wa
gun.
mwana n'imbunda noneho yari iriho ibikumwe byaswo. Ngo ni George bari
Your father,
ukuri guhari kwa nyawo.
house where the body was found. Am I right?
Nimba ibikumwe byari ku mbunda ya iswo yari afite, umurambo bakawusanga mu nzu uragira ngo dukore cyafana.
Steven Soisalon is the murderer.
Steven Soisalon niwe mwicanyi. Nabyanga mwabyemera Steven Soisalon niwe mwicanyi. George hano
Your son is pushing his luck.
umwana ari
It's
guhatiriza.
too hard.
Guhatiriza bikabije.
Man still here?
Yamana aracyari
Such
hano.
stubbornness. Just admit to your crimes.
Afunga umutwe wakwemeye ibyaha byawe kugira uriya mwana tumwirukana abe yanagenda abyemera.
It's a good thing that he's here.
Icyiza ni uko ari hano ahubwo.
It's better than getting into trouble with Steve.
Kubera ko kuba ari hano nibwo afite umutekano kurusha gusohoka ari hanze kuko yahita ajya guhiga Steven akamwica.
See? That's just who he is.
Uriya niwe umwana wanjye ari we, none se mbabwire gute? Bande hano yumiwe.
If the lawyer is here.
Avoka George ari hano.
Here you are.
Avoka George. Uraje hano.
Nice to meet you.
Cyiza gora.
Your wife Olga is my childhood friend.
Gore wawe Orugani inshuti yanjye yo mu bwana.
Couldn't reach you on the phone.
Yaguhamagaye kuri telefone arakubura. Nibwo yaje kumenya amakuru yose banyohereje hano.
You're
Nze
the-
nkuburanire rero.
Otherwise, she would have been on the first plane.
No.
Icyo cyo nuko amahirwe nabaye ndi hafi ubundi ari kuba ari mu ndege.
She shouldn't be here.
Oya ntabwo umugore wanjye agomba kugera hano.
But Mr. George,
None se George.
only I knew Olga this much. Your words would not matter that much.
George hakuno biramucanga ibintu bikomeje kwivanga yamani nawe hano nta kimenyetso na kimwe afite.
So, stand up. Won't you stand up?
Bwa mbere ahura na muzehe.
Fine.
Sawa.
Sit there.
Ubwo nanjye reka nicare hano niba udashaka kuza ngo tugende.
That house without you, my boy.
Kuko ntabwo dusubira muri iriya nzu tutajyanye mwana wanjye.
Home, son.
Rero dutahe muhira wa mwana we.
Give my grandson slippers.
Mwana wanjye ariko nimuhereze inkweto yambare muhereze silipa.
Behave like you are alone anymore.
Ubwo bwa mbere yazaga muri iyi nzu. German Ali.
Grandfather. Even burying your loved one is better than losing him, son. My God, spare also such a great hand. Oh, son, oh.
Ku buryo muzehe yamubwiraga ibintu byose amuburanira kuba hafi n'ibiki byose.
Don't be ashamed.
Wamwana ntugaterwe isoni.
Cry. Every Ali wouldn't cry.
Twebwe dufite uburenganzira bwo guterwa isoni n'ibyo twakoze n'ibyo twaguteye ku muhanda. Ibintu byose uburyo bahuyemo. Uburyo yamuhaye ikaze mu nzu byose ari kubyibuka ni Yaman Ali. Ariko nta kimenyetso afite. Habe na kimwe. Nta kimenyetso ukuri arakuza ariko se nyine ninde akubwiye ko watsinda ukuri ko watsinda ufite ibimenyetso simusiga.
My condolences, brother.
I'm sorry for your loss.
Mbabarire kubw'igihombo mwagize.
Are you okay?
Umeze neza?
I'm not.
Wapi ntago meze neza.
I'm not okay.
Ntago meze neza.
I want to take Steven's head and smash it open across his son's face.
Kira kigoryi ngo ni Steven.
What did he want from the old chap?
Keretse ndamutse muye nacyo nkakimena isura.
Because that's what's coming to him.
Yaman, calm down.
Yaman tuza.
How can I be calm?
Gute natuza Liam?
How can I be?
Gute natuza?
How can I be good?
Gute namera neza?
He shot my grandfather right in the center of his chest.
Sogokuru bamurashe mu gatuza rwagati barakamena.
He was lying on the ground.
Yararyamye hasi.
They couldn't have knocked him down any other way. Then his son came, perjured himself, and the both of them walked away.
Papa wanje nawe aryamye hasi nibwo umwana we yaje ari we njyewe nta kintu nakoze.
My father's still here.
Papa wanje aracyari hano.
And my grandfather's killer got away with killing him.
Sogokuru wanje yapfuye uwamwishe yigende.
We'll take the plane.
Wait a minute.
Uretse
What's that have to do with the doctor?
muganga sawuriye he na
My grandfather. Then he put the gun in my dad's hands.
Steven yishe sogokuru arangije imbunda yishyira mu biganza bya papa
What
wanje.
kind of a monster is he?
Si uriya mugabo n'inyamaswa
Is it a
nyabiki.
trap for Dr. George?
Byose babitezemo umutego George.
And if I don't, beat those two at their own game.
Bariya babiri ubwo ni Alex na Celine abatsindira mu mukino banzanye gukinamo. N'abandimbwa.
Wait a minute,
N'abandimbwa
brother.
kugira abonetse.
Coming with you.
Turajyanye
No,
ya.
it's coming.
We ntago
Now
tujyanye.
let's take this.
Mwe mugume hano.
Yaman.
Yaman.
If you're hoping to stop me, Ria,
And
Niba
what?
niba ushaka guhagarikira ikize.
Whatever you want. But this time, we'll do it together.
Genda ukora icyo ushaka ariko kuri iyi nshuro turajyana tugikorane. Ntabwo nongera kukurekura sindi bugusige niba babizanye. Inkubisi y'amanu zirayitarukiriza sibyo? Reka nkwereke ukuntu tugiye kubigenza. Jye nawe tugende dushaka ibimenyetso ibintu byose. Bemeze. Uriya yamufashe mu ntoki aramubwira ati sheri noneho ibintu tugenda kubigenza.
We're not gonna let them win again.
Ntabwo turi buze kongera kubareba badutsinde kuri iyi nshuro. Reka dushake ibimenyetso dukora ibishoboka ibyo ari byo byose tubatsinde tubashyire hasi. Cyoliya na Yamani hamya ko episode ya 61 ari uko igenze. Ciao ciao bye bye see you.